Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest and detailed reviews. Today, we're diving into a product that's earned a reputation for being the best sore muscle relief foam roller. The TriggerPoint Grid 1.0 Foam Roller. Whether you're an athlete, a fitness enthusiast, or someone who deals with sore muscles after long days, this deep tissue foam roller promises to help you recover faster, feel better, and get back to your routine. The TriggerPoint Grid 1.0 is designed to deliver deep tissue relief, making it perfect for those tight, sore muscles that we all experience from time to time. Its unique multi-density construction features a three-dimensional surface that promotes effective muscle recovery. As you roll over it, the varying ridges and nodules replicate the feeling of a massage therapist's hands, targeting specific areas of your body to release tension and improve circulation. This foam roller is more than just your average foam roller. Its hollow core design wrapped in EVA foam is firmer than traditional foam rollers, providing you with a deeper, more intense massage experience that mimics the pressure of a sports therapist's hands. It's ideal for working out knots, relieving tight spots, and improving flexibility. Plus, it can help you recover quicker by increasing the flow of oxygen and blood to the muscles. The TriggerPoint Grid 1.0 is also built for durability. Unlike many other foam rollers, this one maintains its shape even after repeated use. You can count on it to last and withstand the pressure of deep tissue rolling, giving you long-term value for your money. Whether you're using it before a workout for warm-up or after to reduce muscle soreness, this foam roller is designed to handle frequent use. It's lightweight, portable, and easy to use, whether you're at home, at the gym, or on the go. The compact size, at 13 inches long, makes it convenient for targeted muscle relief on areas like your back, quads, calves, and shoulders. Plus, it's a great tool for anyone looking to improve mobility, increase flexibility, or recover from intense physical activity. The TriggerPoint Grid 1.0 is an effective, reliable solution for muscle recovery, making it an essential part of any fitness or recovery routine. If you're looking for a way to reduce soreness, improve mobility, and prevent injuries, this foam roller is definitely worth considering. Stay tuned for more reviews and product breakdowns from Product Critique.